Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. For this week I'm bringing to you this beautiful boho festival headband. I really enjoyed making it. So this is a very easy and fun project to crochet. The free pattern is as always available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link is in the down bar. So for this project I used Drops Muscat, which is 100% cotton yarn. It's considered a light 3 DK yarn, and again I will be linking all of this in the down bar. And you can use any 100% cotton yarn in this yarn weight category for this project. You will also be needing a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and you will also be needing a simple plain elastic band for sewing in the project, and that's it. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, that really helps out my channel. And if you want more crochet content, don't forget to check out my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. Okay, so for this part I will show you how to crochet this piece. Okay, so to begin this part of the tutorial you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and create your slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now what we will be doing is chaining 71. So 1, 2, 3. So I've chained less, but the principle is the exact same. So once you have your 71 chains, you will be counting 1, 2, 3 and 4 and going into that 4th chain from the hook with a double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and go through 2 loops, and take your yarn and go through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet, and your first chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Now what you will be doing is going into the next chain and placing a double crochet into that, and into the next chain, and just go ahead and place a double crochet into each and every chain across until you reach the end of this chain. Okay, so this is your first row, and now for row 2 you are simply, obviously your row will be a lot longer, but for row 2 you are simply going to be chaining 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this counts as your first double crochet, and chain 1, turn your work, and you will be skipping the next stitch and going into the 3rd stitch with a double crochet. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that, chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a double crochet, and chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a double crochet, and this is the chain 3 from the previous row. So just pop your double crochet into that, and this is the end of this row. Obviously your row will be a lot longer, but the principle is the exact same. So now for your third and last row, you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work, and this counts as your first double crochet. And you are going to be going and placing a double crochet into each and every stitch across, including the chain spaces from the previous row. So to do this, just go ahead and place a double crochet into that chain space. Then go into the next stitch, which is a double crochet, and place a double crochet into that. And then place a double crochet into the next stitch, which is a chain 1, and place a double crochet into that, and just place a double crochet into each and every stitch across, and I'll show you how to finish off this row. So I wanted to come back and show you how to finish off this row. So obviously yours will be a lot longer, but I still have 2 stitches to place because obviously the chain space here counts as a stitch. So go ahead and place a double crochet into that chain, and then place your last double crochet into the 3rd chain here. Sorry about that. There we go. Place your last double crochet into that, and this is the end of this row. Okay, so now you are going to be fastening off, leave a long tail for sewing. So I've just snipped off my yarn and just pull through to finish off this headband. So now I'm just going to show you how to sew on your elastic band. Okay, so I'm back and now I'm going to show you how to sew in this this project. So you are going to be taking your elastic band, so the plain elastic band, and you are going to pull on it gently and tie a knot in the middle. So I'm just going to do this off camera. Okay, so I've just done a knot off camera. This is what it looks like. And now I am going to be starting off with one side. I am going to start off sewing with the side where I've got my loose ends. Okay, so I've zoomed in. So we are going to try and sew this side of the elastic. We are going to be attaching it and sewing it onto the whole width of that headband. So I'm just going to go round and round with my stitches, as you can see. I hope you can see on camera. So I'm just going round and round, and there we go. And then I'm just going to go round again. So it's pretty straightforward, just go round and round. I'll let you carry this on. I'm just going to go round once again just to make sure that it's nice and secure, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've gone and attached this side of the elastic band to my headband. Now I'm just going to make a knot, so just make a knot as best you can. I'm just going to go through a few stitches and knot this, and then once you've knotted it, you can either snip off your yarn directly or you can sew in your loose end. I'm just going to make sure that it's well attached with a few knots, and then I'm just going to snip off my yarn. I'll let you do that and then I'll show you the rest of the project. Okay, so we finished one side and now we are going to sew this onto the other side. And to do so, you are simply going to be turning this. Make sure that you've not twisted your headband. And what you are going to be doing is just sewing in the other side. I've just attached a loose piece of yarn to this side and just do the exact same. Just go round and round with your sewing needle, making sure that the whole width of the headband is sewed on. Do this twice, meaning just go and from one side to the next and then back again. And yeah, once you've done that, I'll show you how to finish off this project. So this is it. This is the finished project. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in my next video.